Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Today, super momshies, we're going again to create another beautiful flower out of buttercup. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. So these are the main materials that we are going to use again. Of course, the glue gun, the bottle plastic cup, and my usual tools. And of course, this is a new thing, this nylon rope. We need a needle and ribbon and double-sided tape. This is the nylon rope. We're going to divide this one. Okay, so your needle must be a little bit bigger so it has a big hole, so this rope will you can deal with it. So next, we're going to make a hole at the center. Super momshies, this is now our final touch in our flower bouquet today. Before we will end up this video, I would like to give a mega love shout out to all subscribers and non-subscribers and to the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, babushi.